Hello friends, today's topic I have taken because one of my subscriber Arushi, she has requested me to make one video on interview. So today I have taken that topic, how to prepare and present yourself for an interview. Nowadays companies prefer STAR interviews. The acronym STAR stands for situation, task, action and result. Example, interviewer will provide you a situation or an object like tissue paper box, and they can ask you to add some more features in that to generate the same. Actually, interview is having three major elements. First one is interviewee, interview, and company culture and product. So I will take one by one. First, let us see what is an interview. Interview, which describe a formal consultation of interviewing for a specific position. It is an useful tool in assessing qualification as well as behavior under a stressful condition. Before we proceed, I want to give you two important tips because it can enhance your energy also. First one, before leaving for an interview, try to do some activities like watering plants, feeding birds, fishes, animals or any poor people, which can enhance your energy again, and you can choose any one of the activities, no need to do all the activities. Second thing, eat curd and sugar mix. Why I am saying this? Because first of all, it is old tradition but we were not aware of that. But now scientifically it is proven that sugar will provide you energy as well as it's a very good stress reliever also. Second, curd. When we talk about curd, it can calm down your stomach, which in turn can calm down your mind also. And scientifically, when your stomach is full, you are satisfied with your stomach, then definitely your mind will be also calm, cool and can work efficiently. Let's take one by one. First, I will take interviewee, who is appearing for an interview. So interviewee, I have divided into two again parts. Before interview, what preparation has to be done, and during interview, what you have to do. Before an interview, day before preparation or going for presentation or for an interview, you should prepare yourself perfectly, like keep all the things in one place. Your shoes, socks, comb, perfume, your wallet, your CVs, everything has to be kept on one place. So when you are going in the morning, you should not be in hurry that where these things are there, which can disturb your mind also, and sometimes you have to go without some watch or something like that. Now dress appropriately but not uncomfortable or mismatch. Arrive on time, before time, never late. Keep all the important documents along with CV with you. Study your resume and knowing everything on it. Research the company and the job position you are applying. Find the type of interview you will be going on. Before going for an interview, avoid confrontation with others, especially at home with your family members और आउटसाइड विद ड्राइवर्स, क्योंकि जब हम झगड़ा करते हैं तो हमारा दिमाग भी खराब हो जाता है और उस वक्त हमारी सोचने समझने की शक्ति बिल्कुल खत्म हो चुकी होती। तो झगड़ा बिल्कुल नहीं करना है। बेटर है किसी बच्चे के साथ में खेल के जाओगे तो वो बहुत ही अच्छा होता है। कैरी माउथ फ्रेशनर्स, वाटर एंड अ चॉकलेट, बिकॉज चॉकलेट कैन गिव यू इंस्टेंट एनर्जी। कभी कभी हमारी एनर्जी ड्रेन हो जाती है। If possible, apply stress relieving perfume. It has power to change the state of mind. Like sea breeze perfume, lavender, lemon, rosemary, all these are stress relieving perfumes. Prepare yourself for uncomfortable questions. Give serious thought to your hard and soft skills. Think about your top accomplishments. Manage your stress by taking deep breath. Now switch off your mobile before entering inside the interview room. Now during interview, sit straight, because when you are sitting straight, psychology says everything you can catch very fast. So it means you will be a very good absorbent, and when you are very good absorbent, then you can process very well and you can answer in a productive way. Then attentive and in comfortable posture. Mind your manner, be polite, confident, enthusiastic. Pay attention to your body language, be cool, starting with introduction followed by showcasing your likabilities. Tailor your answers to the interviewer's age. Now, prime yourself to feel powerful. Showcase your potential. Don't smile too much. Stress on the points where you are confident and good, so that you can bring that interviewer to your point and they can ask you question related to your strong areas. Eye contact with all the interviewers is very important. Your answer should be short and to the point. Less hand movements. Don't move too much your hands. Never badmouth about your previous company or your employees or your colleagues. Do not ask the immediate results like, am I selected? Interviewers can ask you few questions which can build up your stress to check your behavior, like coping skills, how you can handle situation when it is adverse or unpleasant conditions, how you can handle these situations like that. They are preparing these questions. Now, during interview or when you are searching for a job, you will find 5 types of people. You are competing with them. The super preparers. This is the one we all hate the most. They have answers to every possible questions and already have gathered several informations through different channels. Now, how to compete with them? Carry confidence and by checking out your strong areas. The freewheelers, exactly opposite of the super preparers. Maybe they think that this interview is all about a formality, or maybe too busy and didn't get enough time for fine-tuning their game day strategy. So how to compete with them? No need to worry about them. Third one, the pedigreed pro. Someone who has a strong pedigree education at a top ranked college or having some check. Now, how to compete with them? If you are genuinely qualified and researched well for an interview and can give some brilliant ideas to impress them, then no need to worry. Fourth one, the dead on match. These people are perfect on paper, like they are having right number of experience, their qualification is perfect, but does not always mean perfect at all. So here, how to compete? By showcasing your modern approach to any solution. Fifth one, the cocky contenders. Easy to beat them as they are full of arrogance. So arrogancy is there. So you can compete with your behavior as humbleness and a pleasant personality and thankful or some types of positive act. Now third one is company culture. In short, organization could have a blend of these types of culture. Type 1, clan culture. Company refers to their co-workers as their family members, so it is very easy to go through their interviews. Type 2, advocacy culture. Move fast and break things, means they always keep an eye on the market and the mindset of their buyers. Then type 3, market culture, always competitive culture. Their workers, they are always on their toes, because the emphasis is placed on results. Fourth, hierarchy culture, controlled culture. Most activities and decisions are dictated by existing procedures rather than a lot of innovations and free thinking. Now, for all these companies, let's apply some general rule. First one, before interview, what you should do? Research not only the company to which you are applying, but also the chief rivals also. अगर आप उनके दुश्मनों के बारे में जानेंगे तो डेफिनेटली आपको बहुत सारे फीचर्स पता चल जाएंगे. Then protect features also. Be prepared to talk about company and market trends and what sets this company apart from others. investigate about the company through press releases also. If possible, speak to the current and the past employees also. Find out the company, why company is hiring, to keep as standby. Is there any real vacancy for innovation to reduce the operational cost, maybe diversion or expansion of the company, or maybe they want to replace someone, etc., etc. Many reasons will be there, so you can prepare yourself according to that match. During interview, never disparage the firm in any case, even when you are discussing areas of growth, because company का कभी बुराई या company में ये मत बताओ इसमें ये कमी है. Avoid implying that competitors are the same or better, and at the end, don't forget to thank them all. You have to thank each and every person inside that room. Hope you like this video. Thank you very much. Arushi, I think now it is okay for you.